Hello y'alls and welcome to the channel where I'm Hot Rod and I'm today's host. I got to tell you two things right straight off the bat. Number one, numero uno, sorry for the audio problems that happen later in the video. And number dos is we got to give thanks to our channel sponsors. Today's sponsor is Ammo brand potted meat in a can. People ask me all the time, Hot Rod, how do you stay so limber and full at the same time? You're nice and thick, yet you're also flexible. Well, I got a simple answer for you. It's Ammo brand potted meat in a can. That's right, I take this stuff and I keep it in my cabinet because you know what? I'd rather eat it kind of warm. Pop open a can right there, and I put it on a hamburger bun. That's right. Get it by the spoonful and just pack it right on there. This stuff right here looks like the stuff that Neo from the Matrix ate. You know, whenever he got on the ship. So it's space aged. And I take some Frenchie's mustard. Now this right here, as far as I can figure, it's the best stuff ever come out of France. And on a real special treat kind of a day, I grab one of my homemade pickled eggs. If you want the recipe to this pickled egg recipe, you need to go to Bodie's channel. It's just called Bodie Pennington. B-O-E-D-Y, and how to make pickled eggs. That's right. I like to get these big wide jars, that way I can just dip my hands right in there, because that's good vinegar. It's going to clean up your hands real good. And just remember, not every bit of ammo is made for killing. Some of it is made for eating. Ammo potted meat. Mmm. That's good shit. I really do like potted meat, and I love pickled eggs. But I put a little bit too much on there. And now, back to the show. Hey y'all, it's me, Hot Rod. And Soft Hand Steve, he went over there to Europe, and he bought a chainsaw, and he's just jizzing in his pants over it. He's so excited about it. What the fool did was he went and he took it all apart so that he could get it to fit in as small of a box as possible, all right? Which there ain't nothing wrong with that, really. That's smart thinking if you're asking me. But he took the other parts right here and he put it in his suitcase and brought it back. Well, again, ain't no problem. That's a way to think around the system, you know, and beat things up, right? But problem is the fool can't remember how to put it back together. And that's whenever he asked me, the best damn shade tree mechanic in South Fulton. So he wants me to help him make this video, get this chainsaw up and running. And you know what I told him? I said, I'll take your money. I'll make your movie. I tell you right now, I was born to boogie.
Well, my mama met my daddy down in Alabama. They tied the knot, so here I am. Born on the bayou on the Texas line. Loved in Louisiana, raised on jambalaya. Now before I could walk, I had
All right, y'all, I can't be too hard on old Soft Hand Steve. This is difficult even for me, and I'm a master. All right, so you go, your sheath goes in that one end right there. Right there. And then it comes around and it goes in that sheath right there on the back side of that trigger. On the back side of that trigger. And then it comes all the way down here and it hooks into your operator presence lever. I want to show you. See that on the back side? Goes right into that little sheath right there.
cigar and he stuck his hand out.
Tuck it in that little slot.
He said, son, have we got a deal for you?
All right.
I'm gonna make you
Now it'll work. See that right there is your operator presence lever. You push that down and we can throttle it up. Right. Now you got kind of semi hold on to that while you come over here. Don't forget about your on-off switch. You got to set that up too while you're holding all this bullshit together. I got to say, this right here is one terrible, terrible setup. Absolutely terrible. But there we go. Now we are together. I got good throttle. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the screws in there.
baby, 'cause I ain't no rookie. I'll put it apart and I was born to boogie.
All right, the manual says I'm supposed to tune this thing to 14,500 RPMs. I don't know how well how I like that. That's up there. That's way up there. So I'm going to go with 14,000, and then we'll go from there. That was 14,022, and I think that's high enough for me. I mean, that's awful high. That's awful high. Okay, y'all. So I hope you laughed. I hope you had fun with that. So it took me so long to put that together. Plus, I hem-hoed around a little bit. I've been real busy this week, bad. But anyways, I didn't get a chance to run it, and I'm not going to run it today because it's 100 degrees here. So yeah, but it's all set, ready to go. It's all back together, went back together without a hitch, and fires up, runs good. I was a little worried there at first. I was fast forwarding through it, but the tuning of it, I was like, man, what? I can't get this thing tuned. But then I found it. So, yeah, it was too lean on both the. It was too lean on the low and on the high side, and so whenever I would choke it, it'd fire up. But as soon as that rich mixture that where I had choked it, as soon as that rich mixture was used up, it would die on me. And so I was a little worried there at first. I was like, oh, crank seals, whatever, you know how you do it. But then I got it, and I was like, all right, great. So, but yeah, man, the manual calls for that thing. It says max RPM is 14.5. On a stock saw, that is zinging. I mean, that is really, 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 really fast. And I am not super comfortable going up that high, especially not with even a muffler mod. You got to get that heat out of there. And so I think I said I've tuned it to 1422, but it could have been 14,220 RPMs. Anyways, but tomorrow, Soft Hand Steve, He's the one that's really excited about it. Soft Hand Steve got he's got a special video planned out for you guys tomorrow, and I mean, it's just simple, but it's going to be funny, like today's sponsored video. It was just as simple. I was sitting here editing it and everything, and I was eating something, and I thought, man, how funny would it be if I had a sponsor for potted meat? So anyways, so I'm going to release this video, and if you're watching this today, on the day that it gets released, know that I am also going to release another one, probably. I mean, why not? It'll be easy. It's an unboxing video. I got some cool stuff that I want to push out there and share. I haven't done a couple videos in the past 3 days, I think, so why not push out 2 of them? Anyways, that's all for this video, and tomorrow we're going to actually put that 2055 in some wood and see how it runs. It's supposed to be a really good one, and if the factory manual is saying 14,500 RPMs, holy shit, that is up there. I mean, I'm pretty sure that the X-Torque 550 Mark II, and probably the first one as well, I'm pretty sure they'll do that rev boost thing and get up there to around 14.5, maybe even 15,000. But hell, that's a modern saw, and this saw is old. This is like from 1989, 1993 or something like that. Anyways, the handle on these things, man, that thing was a bear. I mean, just an absolute bear. Anyways, that's enough. See ya.